Dear students, this video discusses how to find radiation resistance of a linear lambda by 2 antenna. So usually in order to find out the radiation resistance, first you have to find out the power radiated by an antenna and equate it equal to I naught by root 2 the whole square into R. So R is the radiation resistance of the antenna. So first to find power radiated, Poynting vector is given by the formula 1 by 2 into h phi the whole square into root of mu by epsilon. So here also absolute of h phi, if you are finding out, that will be equal to absolute of j into I naught. So this will be equal to I naught. So h phi square can be written as I naught by 2 pi r the whole square. So into cos of, the equation is beta L by 2 cos theta minus cos of beta L by 2 the whole square divided by sin theta. So now power radiated is given by P is equal to double integral of 0 to 2 pi 0 to pi SR into ds, where ds is r square sin theta d theta d phi. So substitute the entire equation over here, that is substituting root of mu by epsilon into 1 by 2 into I naught square by 2 pi r the whole square of 0 to 2 pi 0 to pi, the entire term cos of beta L by 2 cos theta minus cos of beta L by 2 the whole square divided by sin theta into ds. So this can be written as, here many terms will get cancelled. So what is remaining will be equal to 30 into I naught square integral 0 to 2 pi cos of beta L by 2 cos theta minus cos of beta L by 2 the whole square divided by sin theta into d theta. So now this equation has to be equated to I naught by 2 into r, I naught by 2 the whole square into r. So equating both these equations, that is power delivered is also given by I naught square r naught by 2. So equating both equations, r naught will be equal to 60 into integral of 0 to pi equating this equation and this equation, equate both of them. So I naught will get cancelled, this 2 will come over here, 60 into the other terms. So this can be written as cos of beta L by 2 cos theta minus cos of beta L by 2 the whole square divided by sin theta into d theta. So here R naught is the radiation resistance into sine of 2 pi. So this will be equal to 30 into 2.44 equal to 73 ohms. So this is the final equation or the result of radiation resistance of a linear lambda by 2 antenna. So please do share, like and subscribe the channel for latest updates.